The text of this press conference and the program of events so that you can use them. Thank you. Respectively, come May 29, 2023. These events will kick off from today after this press conference with the commissioning of Rumuesera Internal Roads and Agbabu Odido Link Road. Subsequent days will feature more project flag-offs and commissioning. This will underline the unprecedented decision of the governor, Wike administration, to wind up or end even stronger than it started. Governor Wike believes that working so hard and ending his administration strong will provide the incoming Siminalayi administration the needed momentum to excel from the beginning and continue strong. The Governor Wike administration will bow out on May 29, 2023. And will be providing the incoming administration the advantage of having a well-articulated handover, something the outgoing administration did not benefit from. The administration is succeeded on May 29, 2015. Therefore, the ground is being prepared for the Siminalayi administration to have a seamless and very smooth takeoff from day one. The list of inauguration events includes, but not limited to these: Thursday, 18th May 2023, that's today, by 10 a.m. Actually, this is why we shifted this press conference to this morning, early this morning. By 10 a.m., there will be commissioning of Rumuesera Internal Roads. By 2 p.m., there will be commissioning of Agbabu Odido Link Road. On Friday, tomorrow, 19th May 2023, by 10 a.m., there will be commissioning of Elekahia Internal Roads. And in the afternoon, by 2 p.m., there will be commissioning of Okochiri Internal Roads. On Sunday, New Rivers Legacy Project's one-day open cycling hour will take place. Cycling tour, rather, will take place on Sunday, 21st May. On Monday, 22nd May 2023, by 10 a.m., there will be commissioning of Basic Medicine 500-bed hostel, Rivers State University College of Medicine Extension. By 2 p.m. in the afternoon, there will be commissioning of Rivers State University staff quarters. Then on Tuesday, 23rd May 2023, by 10 a.m., there will be Wike University Foundation laying ceremony. And by 2 p.m., there will be commissioning of Elele Internal Roads. The next day, Wednesday, 24th May 2023, by 10 a.m., there will be commissioning of Pamo University Teaching Hospital. And by 2 p.m., foundation laying ceremony of new Federal High Court. On Thursday, 25th May 2023, by 10 a.m., there will be public lecture / book launch. Then by 2 p.m., there will be valedictory ESCO meeting. On Friday, 26th May 2023, by 10 a.m., there will be commissioning of Police Tactical Operations Center. And by 5 p.m., a night of praise and musical cantata. 27th May 2023, by 10 a.m., there will be Children's Day celebration. And simultaneously, there will be commissioning of Opopo Sand Field and reclamation, and the flag-off of the Opopo Ring Road project. Then by 5 p.m., there will be state awards / pre-inauguration dinner. 3 events for Saturday. On Sunday, 28th May 2023, by 10 a.m., will be end of tenure stroke inauguration Thanksgiving at St. Paul's Cathedral, Diob, Port Harcourt. That is the only event for that day. The next day, Monday, 29th May 2023, by 9 a.m., will be the inauguration proper. And by 6 p.m., there will be inaugural dinner, rather. And that would bring the chain of events to a close for the moment. But much later, on Monday, 5th June 2023, by 10 a.m., there will be House of Assembly proclamations. That one would now completely put to rest the chain of events lined up for inauguration.
Minds of the incoming governor. However, we will be able to say, based on the things that he has put out as his manifesto, and which I'm sure colleagues in the media have received, that the new administration, to all intents and purposes, is focused on creating an economically viable river state. There have been specific pronouncements with regards to trying to encourage a bit more with regards to the seaports, liaising with the federal government to ensure a blue economy. Of course, you know that the seaports are exclusively on the federal government's list, but from what the incoming governor has said, there would be a lot of collaboration between the state and the federal government to ensure a more economically viable state. There would also be a focus on infrastructural development that will encourage small businesses. And there is a focus on agriculture as a means for encouraging small businesses. In his manifesto, he had spoken about opening up and freeing up land so that there will be a land tenure that will make it possible for people to turn their land into wealth. I think that those are some specifics that he's spoken about that can help us. So I think that we can't say that the Siminalayi administration promises to provide a lot of economically viable options for Rivers people. The other thing I've noticed, again looking at the manifesto, is that he's going to bring to bear his expertise and experience as a financial manager, so we can be sure of sound financial management in the next administration. I also believe, again, going by his manifesto and his experience, that the public sector is likely to see a lot of revamping. I hope that satisfies you, Mr. Aju.
Thank you. Mr.
I'm happy to share a copy with you and anybody else who would like it. We have published it. It's actually a public document. It's in the public space. But if you haven't got it, I'm sure they'll
them to you. Did they indicate their email addresses on
I don't even know, did they?
Huh?